Merry meet everyone, this is Shiv Shakti from Goddess Breath, and of course I am here to give you your weekly reading. Ready or not? Oh, by the way, how was the weekend? Did you have a lot of family love, and did you really understand how you can connect with the family, the cosmic family at large? Did you? I sure did. I had a really beautiful revelation, and I couldn't have been more grateful. So, this week, Monday and Tuesday, the sun. It is one of those positive, absolutely energy oriented cards, and it says Monday and Tuesday are going to be days where you're going to have to take a lot of action, because you can take a lot of action. There are a huge amount of opportunities to get up and do exactly what you want to do, to get up and start realizing, okay, not like this but like this. I'm going to transfer or fine tune my ideas into something that is going to shine really bright. What you work on Monday, Tuesday will definitely, and I mean definitely, shine forth. Yellow color, sunflowers, red colors, all sorts of shades of red, and white. These are extremely happy colors for us these 2 days, and they will actually help us go forward. Another thing that strikes me about this card is that the inner child that we all have. This inner child is now, showing itself out, saying, I need to go have some fun. So now, instead of getting all old and, what I mean by old is grown up, instead of getting grown up and saying, this is how I'm going to do it, or that's how I'm going to do it, just get spontaneous. Just do it at the drop of a hat. Do it like a child would do it. Do it with the amount of madness you can get to the moment, because that is what is going to get you through. And Wednesday just helps to confirm that. It's the Fool. The Fool is a child. The Fool is a child of the universe that looks around and takes a chance. This card also means that whatever you've planned or have started doing on Monday and Tuesday, if you take a risk, if you think, okay, I don't know if I'm not sure if I should do this, let me figure it out and I will give it a shot, but stop there immediately. Wednesday, the Fool, the number 0, is only telling you that you just take that step and you will succeed, because the Fool is someone who takes that risk and follows through. He might jump off the cliff and think he might fall, but he'll fly. Whatever risk you take is going to come true, is going to happen for you, is going to fall through. So yes, please let that inner child also jump out and have some fun and go mad, because you know what, this extra grown-up effort that you're making at everything, it's kind of pulling down your real shine. So let's not do that. Thursday and Friday is a 7 of Cups. The child likes dreaming and fantasizing and imagining. A child is a possibility junkie. He knows that anything he wants is possible to have. That's exactly what Thursday and Friday is telling you, are telling you. Thursday and Friday are telling you to take that chance to sit down and have that fun. Have that element of, I can have this, I can have that. No, but I want this and I want that. Ask yourself the question on these 2 days, what is it that I truly and really want? What makes me happy? And when it comes to work, and when you're planning to go forward with work, what is it that will make me happy when I take the path? There's not always one way to do something. There are many ways. There are 7 ways to do things or more. Life is telling you to take a chance on as many ways as you possibly can. At least think of them. Write them down. Take 3 maybe, and just expand them in your vision. Figure out, if I go like this is what's going to happen. If I go like that, that's a possibility. And if I go like that, that's a possibility. So do that for yourself. The universe is waiting to hear from you, and this is a very powerful week. I like this as a reading for May, not just for this week, because if you listen to the word May, it's a possibility that may happen. Of course, that may not happen, but the may is the operative word. It's very important, because I feel it's a very positive word. There's a chance. A may is a chance. So this month, take a chance. Now, for the Oracle card. Oh, it's perfect. I'll read it out to you. Just watch the colors. Purple. Reach for the stars is the orchid. You deserve only the best, and this is all you should focus your attention on. How beautifully does this card sum up the entire weekly reading? Whatever you want, whatever the child within you wants, just focus on that and go for it. That's all you need to do. Really all you need to do. There is nothing else you need to do. Just make sure that your focus is on the positive of what you want, because it's about time you got it. Question is, are you opening the doors to receive it? Open your doors, receive it, work with it, enjoy it, have fun, and be extremely happy. I will see you on the weekend. I love you. Bye bye.